Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. And in today's video, we about to slay this wig using Esha Melt N Slay. So let's get started. Okay y'all, so I purchased this wig from a local beauty supply store and I think this wig was like 26 inches long. Hold on, error, 34 inches long. Ooh, that's pretty long. This is not 100% human hair, but it's human Remy Touch. And I have this in the color 3305. It's supposed to be a burgundy color. I really like it, y'all. I bought it back in December, and as of right now, the top of the hair, as you can see, is so nice, but the bottom of the hair, I'm not fond of because I haven't worn it. It's brand new. I just cut the tag off. And this is a brand that I've seen in the hair stores in my area. This is the Brazilian Supreme Hair Products. And I don't think I like the quality that much. It says tangle free on this. And clearly, this ain't what it's supposed to be doing. Because this look like some Bobby Balls braiding hair. And my daughter has combed it 2 times already for the video for me to actually apply it. And this was the second amount of, hair shedding. So this is not tangle free, y'all. I'm sorry, no. Because you know what? It actually has knots in it at the bottom only. The top is very, very nice. However, the bottom is not. So I don't know if it's because it's 34 inches and they just said, hey, whatever, quality only needs to be about 20 inches. Because there's no way that the hair should be matted like this. Like, you can see that is a knot right there. So I'm not used to that, I guess. But this is the hair that I'm having to take out of my brush because it's very tangly. And I really don't like the quality of the wig because it'd be different if this wig was $20. The fact that it's, looking like this at the bottom is crazy to me because look at this. Like, look at the quality. It looks nappy at the bottom and I don't like that. And I don't want to spray it with anything because I think what I'm gonna do is cut the bottom off, and then like just make it shorter. But you could look at the bottom. You can literally see that is not the same type of texture in some spots as the top. Because look at this. I don't even know if you could flat iron this. It says high temperature fiber, but I don't know if you could flat iron it. I'm gonna try to flat iron it. It may burn, I'm not sure because it doesn't say 100% human hair, so it could possibly burn, but I'm gonna cut it anyway, so I guess that don't really matter. All right, so I kind of prepped my cap already. So I put on my cap. I use my elastic band to kind of hold it in place to make sure that it stays. But yeah, my hair is kind of already molded, and all I did was wet my normal hair, put a little bit of extreme gel on top, and blow dried it. That's it. Okay, y'all. So I am using a new product today. It is Melt N Slay. We're going to do it London's way, and that's just on period. This is by Esha. I got this from the hair store. It was $5.99. Make sure you check your local beauty supply store. This is supposed to be a absolute fast drying lace wig bond. I also used my got to be glue because I got to, like, it's in the name. You got to. No, but I use that to hold my hair down. So if anything, I will still use that on top of this just so that it lasts longer. Because this is a synthetic wig, I did get this oil-free wig shine. This was $1.99 at my hair supply store. I'm thinking about using my Even. Y'all already know I did a review on this. This is the mousse. I have it in medium brown. This was $8.99. But just to kind of like make this a little bit more darker, I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of that. And I'm going to use my fan, which helps me also dry everything along with my blow dryer. But yeah, you're supposed to just spread this around. And I'm also going to put a little bit on my wig and inside just so it blends in a bit more. And I put it on my hands or on the gloves so I could just kind of easily dispose this. And then I put it inside of the wig. Like I said, I'm only just rubbing it in there so it gets a tint because it's very white. And then I'm going to blow dry it also. And I didn't put the tint everywhere on my head because I don't need to, because I already know exactly what I'm doing as far as the style. And it doesn't require me to put the tint all the way over here. I just need it to look realistic in this part. So that's why you don't see it all over, okay? All right, we going in with the wig because it done dried down. I do have my clips in the back already put in place. And y'all know I'm a side part girl. All right, so now we got that together. We know we're gonna have to cut off the ear tabs over here, like this part, so it sits right. So I'm gonna pull this back a little bit, and we're gonna just work on cutting this cap. Got my scissors. I got these from Sally's, y'all. So if you need some scissors, I think these was like less than $10. Kind of want to put a little bit more gots to be glue on this part because it's kind of coming up a little bit over here versus the other side. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to lay that down, and I'm just going to put my hair dryer on it. You want to take your comb and make sure you move the product like all the way down to wherever your hair stops so that the product is not just in one spot. So boom, here we go. Got the lace on. Gotta, you know, get the placement right. Because clearly you cannot have, y'all, look at that. You cannot have this showing, okay? So please bring that down a bit, all right? Just like that. And what I'm going to do is one side at a time. Yeah, I'm not skilled enough to do the whole thing just yet. So I'm going in with that Melt N Slay. I'm going to start on this side first because I already know that everything is evened and, you know, where it's supposed to be. So I'm good to go. Use your comb and you want to kind of make sure you got everything laid down. Make sure y'all pull this thing, okay? Pull it. Get your blow dryer and start drying it. Oh, they weren't playing. They wasn't playing when they said it dries fast. This is stuck. Like, ain't no moving that. And that's good. So we're going to go back and lay this down. Because my ears, that part have to get cut off. These wig hairlines are made bigger. And my head is small. So I'm going to go back in and lay that down. Like I said, pull that wig, sis. Pull that wig. Because this dries super quick. And make sure you combing it back in place. Ooh, wow. Yeah, that's stuck. That's stuck. That ain't moving. That's on there. Ooh, yes, I like that. Okay, Esha. You got my vote. You got my vote. So now we're gonna move over to this side. Yeah, look. Y'all, it's stuck. Yo, it's stuck right here. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Let me lift that a little bit because baby, I didn't even spray. I sprayed it from here to here and it's already stuck. All right. So we know that this dries fast. So let's work quick. Because you have everything positioned, you should already know where it's going. Now we're going to start cutting this off. And remember, I'm still going to go back in just to secure everything with my band. But I just had to get this placed on first. So for this part, you really want to kind of like get in there to get that effect of the hairline. And don't come after me because I'm not no professional, okay? So, and I'm just gonna do what I gotta do to make myself look cute, as you should, okay? It's 2024. I gotta learn stuff on my own, okay? Because sometimes I don't have the time to just sit in a hair salon for 5 and 6 hours, honey. I just don't. I got stuff to do. So I got to learn how to do it on my own. All right, so now we got that off. I'm gonna go back in, kind of make my part a little bit more defined. I know this wig doesn't need baby hairs, but I'm somebody who absolutely love baby hairs. I'm not like, they don't have to be dramatic, but I have to have some type of baby hairs in the front because that's just my style. Okay, y'all, so I had to come back and show you guys this. So we came back with the hot tools to see if this would get the matted doggy hair out and make it straight. And apparently it's working. So let's see if it does the whole thing. So the hot tools is a device that I used. If you haven't watched my video, watch my hot tools video. It is a device that you can use to straighten your hair and it also brush your hair at the same time. So it's kind of like a silk press. So after I use the hot tools, we want to go through it with another brush just to make sure it's completely detangled. And look, baby, this is giving 100% human hair at this point, okay? This is why I stress this so much, y'all. I have told y'all time and time again, y'all have listened, y'all can see the truth is in the pudding. This wig was a disaster, and y'all gonna see that watching this video. It's very manageable right now, honey. This was gonna come out. This was about to come out of my head. But using my hot tools, told y'all time and time again, this thing works. Very clutch, very affordable. Something that you have to have. It's a staple piece that you have to have for your hair products. Make sure y'all get this because it brought this wig back to life, y'all. It did its job. It basically gave me a silk press. It literally took out all of the naps that was in the hair. I can actually run my fingers through the hair. Before, I couldn't even do that. Like, hold on. There's more. Wait. You just brush it. You could brush it and see. Look at the silk. I wasn't doing that before. I was struggling. I was about to cry. Y'all ain't see me. I had to stop the camera, but I was. Make sure y'all get this Hot Tools Blowout brush. And make sure y'all get this Esha Melt N Slay. Because, listen, they both did what was supposed to be done today. They stood on business. And that's all I need. Okay? These are the two things I need for these wigs. This and this. So if you got an old wig and you thinking about throwing it away, please don't throw it away. Give this a try. Give this a try first. And let me know what's up. Let me know if it worked for you. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.